Hey guys, welcome to the walkthrough of Retech, an e-waste recycling advocacy website that I, along with my group, built as a project. Retech is a platform dedicated to educating people about responsible electronic waste disposal and recycling. In this video, I'll be walking you through the entire website, every page, every feature, and every section, so you can see exactly what it does and how it works. Let's get started. Before we go page by page, let me give you a quick overview of the website as a whole. Retech has 7 main pages: Home, About, Center, Tips and Guide, Articles, and Contact. You can navigate between them using the navigation bar at the top, which is fixed, meaning it stays visible no matter how far down you scroll. There's also a Get Involved button in the nav bar that stand out and encourages visitor to take action right away. Every page shares the same consistent layout, the same header, the same footer, and the same green team branding that represent Retech's commitment to the environment. At the very bottom of every pages, you find the footer with quick links, contact details, social media icons, and a newsletter subscription box where the visitor can sign up for e-waste update. The website is also fully responsive, so it works well on both desktop and mobile devices. Alright, now let's go through each pages. This is the home page. The first thing visitors see when they land on Retech. At the very top is the Here section with the headline, "Don't let your old gadgets harm the planet." It immediately set the message of the website. E-waste is a real problem and we need to do something about it. Right below the headline is a Recycle Now button that pushes visitor to take action. Scrolling down, we have 3 highlight cards that represent Retech core identity: eco-friendly, reducing pollution through proper e-waste disposal; community-driven, that encouraging everyone to work together for a greener future and sustainable future. Third one, sustainable future, reminding us that recycling today protects the planet for the next generation. Next is the How Can You Help section. This gives you quick visual summary of the recycling process broken into 4 steps: collect e-waste, find the center, recycle properly, and make an impact. There's also a video that we made, which is demo reel, that shows the whole website as a whole. So now, I will discuss the About page of Retech. The About page introduces who Retech is and what they stand for. The opening section describes Retech as an e-waste advocacy platform focused on educating individual, school, business, and communities about the environmental and economic impact of improper e-waste management. The Our Mission section breaks this down into 3 goals. First, raise awareness about the danger of e-waste and how it affects our health and environment. Second, promote recycling through accessible programs and partnership with certified facilities. And third, build a better future where technology and sustainability go hand in hand. Below that is the Our Values section. 4 values that guides everything Retech does. First, sustainability. Second, integrity. 3, community. And 4, innovation. And wrapping up the page is the team section. Retech is run by Kent Joshua Alejo, Alphonse Reyes. And and now, the How to Recycle page. And it's one of the most practical and important pages on the website. It walks users through our clear steps on how to properly dispose of their e-waste. Step 1, collect your e-waste. This means gathering all your unused or broken electronics, phones, laptop, batteries, and cables, and similar items from your home or office. Second step is find the recycling center. You can use the Retech website recycling center page or contact your local environment to locate the nearest drop-off facility. The third is drop it offs. Once you found the center, bring your e-waste there. Professional will handle and safer and proper disposal, making sure toxic materials don't end up polluting the environment. The fourth one is recycle responsibly. Your e-waste gets processed correctly, and you may even receive a certificate of recycling as proof. At the bottom, there are also a list of accepted items: mobile phones, laptops, computer, television, batteries, printer, cables, and cords, and camera. So basically, most of our everyday electronics are accepted. Next up is the Recycle Center page, your go-to tool for finding a recycle facility near you. At the top, there are filter tabs that let you sort centers by region, or regions Metro Manila, Cebu, Davao, and Laguna. Just click the region you're in and the listing will update accordingly. The center are dynamically loaded, so the information is always current and up to date. There's also an upcoming events section below the center listing. This shows scheduled community e-waste drive and recycling events happening near you, which is great for encouraging. Now, the tips and guide page is all about helping people make smarter decisions when it comes to electronics and e-waste. There are 6 practical tips featured here. First, buy what you need. Avoid impulse buying and choose quality, sustainable electronics to reduce waste. Second, maintain your device. Take care of your gadgets and always try to repair before replacing. Third, donate or reuse. If your device is still working, consider donating it to school, charity, or someone who need it. Fourth, recycle properly. Never throw your electronics in regular trash. Always use a certified recycling location. Fifth, remove personal data. Before recycling or donating any devices, make sure to wipe all your personal information to protect your privacy. And six, spread awareness. Share what you know about e-waste with your friends, family, community. Further down the page, there's the recycling guide, video flips, and a community story section where real people share their experiences with waste recycling. It's a great way to inspire others to take. The article page is Retech Content Hub, a place where you can find news, guides, awareness, and DIY content all related to e-waste and sustainable recycling. Articles are organized into 4 categories. First, news, second, guide, third, awareness, and fourth, the DIY. You can filter by category using the tabs at the top of the page to quickly find what you're looking for. The articles are dynamically loaded so the content stay fresh and updated over time. Whatever you're looking for, the latest e-waste news, a how-to guide, or a DIY ideas for repurposing all electronics. This page has it all. And finally, the contact page, where visitors can directly reach out to the Retech team. At the top, you see the contact details, the email address, retech.ewastegmail.com, a phone number, and the physical address where Retech is located at. And the contact form lets you select a subject, either a general message, a draft up request, or share your own user story. Then you type your message in the text area below. There's also a start rating feature, which is really nice touch. It lets user rate their experience with Retech directly on the page. Once everything's filled out, you hit send message and a thank you confirmation appears.
Okay. So, good day po, Ma'am Leng Alejandro. Ako nga po pala si Alphonse Reyes and ako po yung kapartner po ni Kent Aleo po para po sa website namin na Retech. So, ngayon naman po, papakita ko naman po yung aming backend po namin, which is yung consist po siya ng dashboard and yung mga functions po ng aming backend po. And then, ito po. So, ang una po is meron po kaming ito po yung admin dashboard namin. Para po ma-access po natin, gumawa po kami ng user, admin 1 and admin 2. Sa ngayon po, kami lang po kasi dalawa ni Ken. So, enter lang po namin yung password. Ayan. So, ma-access na po natin siya. So, ang nakalagay lang po dito is unread message, total message, pendings, and yung mga ano po, user stories, subscribers, then yung articles po namin, then yung recycling center. So, quick ano lang po sa website po namin. Sa about po, ayan, pinapakita po yung values po ng company po or ano namin. Then, ito po yung team namin. Example lang po silang dalawa, si Taylor Swift and si Bill Gates po. Then, sa steps po ng how to recycle dito po, may steps po kami na nilagay. Then, dito po sa tips and guides, ito na po gagana yung aming backend. So, here po sa community stories, dito po yung parang ratings po ng mga tao po sa mga um, recycling centers po or sa service po na nabibigay po nila or nabibigay din po namin. For example po, ayan. Select po ako ng subject. Ngayon, gusto ko po magbigay lang po ng story or ratings po. Yan. Gawin ko na lang pong example si Ken. Ito na lang po. Gamitin ko na lang po yung akin. Then, user story. Tapos, ang device po na pinadispose niya po, lagay ko na lang po dito is cellphone. Then, ang story niya, lagay ko na lang po, great job at doing and cleaning e-waste. So, submit story po. Then, yan. Lalabas na po yung thank you for sharing LW on site after review. So, kapag di-refresh naman po natin yung admin dashboard po, lalabas po siya sa pending stories po. Then, ibig sabihin po yan, hindi po natin siya nababasa. So, para lumabas po siya dito sa ito po, community stories po, kailangan ko po siyang i-approve. Kunyari po, may mga bash comments po, di po agad lalabas yun dun sa tips and guides po. Kailangan ko po muna siyang i-approve. Kunyari, yan po. So, i-approve ko po siya. Once na in-approve ko po siya, kapag bumalik po ako sa tips and guides and refresh ko po yung page, lalabas na po siya dyan. Ito po siya. Yan. So, ang next naman po na i-showcase ko is yung message po. Kunyari, yan, ulitin ko na lang po kay Aleo. Message po. Ito po, parang simple message lang po sa creator po ng website. Kunyari, hello po, great website. Yan. So, pag sinend ko po yan, dito naman po siya mapupunta sa unread messages. So, dito po, lalabas po siya. Ayan. Ako lang po makakakita niyan. Parang appreciation page lang po namin to. Ayan. Tapos, ang next naman po is yung drop-off request. Kunyari po, ayan. Email, ayan. Drop-off request. Mobile number, sample ko na lang po. City, ayan. Sample na lang din po. Pili po ako ng date kung kailan niya po i-drop off. Parang booking lang po to. Then, describe po natin yung waste. Kunyari po, laptops and computers. Yan. So, dito, pwede po namin siyang i-email yung user po. Lalabas po siya dito sa drop-off request po. Yan. Pwede po namin siyang i-email or kapag nakita po namin siya dito, meron pa rin po kasi kaming function po dito sa recycling centers po. Pwede po kami mag-add ng bago or existing po na recycling centers. Kunyari po, ito po sa recycling center. Mag-add center lang po tayo. Then yung longitude and latitude po ng recycling center. Then makikita na po natin siya dito sa map. Ginawa lang po namin yung katulad ng ginawa po namin sa DSA. Yung closest po. Lalabas yung closest. So, kunyari, pinaka-closest po sa akin is yung SM Grand Central. So, tuturo niya po kung saan yung location. Then, kunyari, gusto ko rin po tignan kung saan to. Pag kinlik ko po siya, mapupunta po siya doon. Ayan po yung location ng next na recycling center. And also, dito po sa upcoming events, mema lang po to. Parang nilagay ko lang po ako kung anong mangyayari pag nilagay po. Ayan, sa events po. Kunyari po, kami po yung nangangasiwa nung recycling center po na yun. Pwede po kami mag-add ng event. Kunyari, may cleanup drive po. Lalagay lang po namin yung title, location, and description po. Then yung kunyari, picture po parang pangkita lang po ng gagawin. Then yun po, lalabas po siya dito sa events. Tapos may timer din po siya kung kailan na yun or ilang araw pa po kung bago ano. Then sa articles naman po, same lang din po ng katulad dun sa events. Yan. Pwede po kayo gumawa ng articles po. Sa ngayon po, naglagay lang po kami ng placeholders muna. Pero, kung sakaling may ma-manage po ng website namin, dito po pwede po sila mag-add ng mga supporting articles na nakakabuti po yung Pero ang nilagay din po naman namin is nakakabuti naman po. So, yan po siya. Pwede po kayo mag-add and mag-delete po. And that's all po for our backend. Yun lang po yung backend namin. Then, yun na po. Thank you po. Wow, wow, wow.